If you want to make one professional looking e-commerce website, then this is the right course for you. In this course, we will going to teach you how you can create one professional looking e-commerce website for 100% free with the help of WordPress. You can see this is the website which we will going to create. This will be your home page. Here you can customize your logo and you can just customize each and everything, each and every elements. You can just customize the color, text, images, and almost everything without doing any coding. You just need to do drag and drop and you can customize your website according to your wish. So at very second section, you can see we have shop by categories. You can show all the categories which you sell in your e-commerce website. When you will scroll down here, you can mention the featured products. So here you can show all the featured products which you have featured so your customers can see it. And here we have this free shopping, dedicated support, and money back guarantee text. You can also put this text total customizable. You can change the icon, color, and everything. And then we have this popular this week tag. Here all your products will going to show which your potential customers will going to like very much. Now in this e-commerce website you can sell all kind of products, whether it's a physical product or digital product. You can see that this is the product and this is the digital product. If I will show you how this product will going to look, you can just click here and you can see this is how your products will going to look. Product name, price, benefits, quantity, add to wishlist option, and then here you can provide description. Your potential customers can review this product after they will purchase it. Here at very right you can see the images for your products, so people can click here and they can zoom it from here. Okay, they can click on this next so that they can see other products. So if you will click on next, so you can see you can now see other variable products also. So this is just a dummy website which we have created to teach you guys. Now you can also provide different attributes. For example, if your customer wants black color or let's say red color with different size, so all will going to show here. Like you can see red color with a small size will going to cost $7 to your potential customers. If they will take black with small, you will be able to charge them $9. So this is how you can do as well for all your different attributes for your products. Super simple. And guys, don't worry, this website is very easy to operate. You don't require any coding. It is that simple. We will going to teach you each and everything inside this course. So please buy now this course. It will actually going to help you a lot. If you again go to home page, you can go to your home page again. From here you can also click on your logo to go again to your website homepage. You can see now, if you will see the very last section, we have this follow us on Instagram section. Here you can provide your all Instagram images. You can even add more images if you want to. So after someone will going to click any of this image, they can go to your Instagram page and they can follow you there as well. So it will help you to increase Instagram followers as well. So at very bottom we have these things. You can put your business logo, your business name, description, short description for your business social channels, quick links, extras link, and it is total customizable. Whatever you want to add, you can add it. You have newsletter section. Here your potential customers can subscribe. You will going to receive their email and you can even nurture them for further sales. So this will going to help you ultimately to generate sales for your business. If you will again go up, so at very top we have this shop section. So here your potential customers can click and then they can go to shop page of your website. Here they can filter everything by price, categories, by colors, by size, by text, and here all your products will going to show. So right now, as I said, it is a dummy website, so that's the reason here these images we have put. Now one more thing, we have provided you all the images which we have used to create this website for absolutely free. So if you don't want to put your own image, then you can use this image as well, but it's totally up to you. You can also add more products and you can show your products image only, so it's totally up to you. And this website is 100% customizable, 100% responsive. That means it is mobile friendly, desktop friendly, as well as tablet friendly. If you will go to blogs, so in the blog section we have given you this blog facility so that you can create blogs and get some extra free traffic from search engine like Google, Yahoo. So people can visit to your blog as well, and chances will be very high that they can even convert to customers. So it is very great way to get free traffic. In this course, we have also provided you all the amazing video lectures on how you can do blogging for absolutely free. So you will going to get lots of amazing resources inside this course, so please make sure that you enroll inside this course. Now here as a demo we have only put one blog, but when you will going to put more blogs it will going to show up here. Okay, when you will click on contact, so here you can provide your contact form, email, phone number and many things. So you can see this is your contact us page. You can provide your address, phone number, contact us, map, your social networks. When you will go to track order, so here your potential customers can track their order after they will going to purchase from your website. So when your potential customers will going to purchase from your website, they will going to get one special order ID which they have to put here, and they have to also put their email address which they have used to buy from your website, and then they can track their order. So this is a track order feature, and here you can see this search bar. So here your potential customers can search for any product they want inside your website, and here is the wish list section. So for example, if you will go to shop, here you can see at every products we have this shop icon. Here you can see, so this is a wish list option. So if your customer think that he loves this product, so he can just put this product inside the wish list so that he can purchase your product in future. So all these wish list products will going to show inside this wish list section. So right now we don't have any wish list product, so that's the reason no product is showing here. And here is the account where people can register or log in your website, and we have this card. Okay, so this is the complete e-commerce website which you will be able to create inside this course. So make sure you guys enroll inside this course if you find this website very much interesting. So I will see you inside this course guys. Bye bye. Now guys, before we proceed further on how to create this website, I want to tell you that we have used many images and files to create this website, and we have provided you that image and files for free. So in this lesson we have provided you one downloadable file. You just have to download the file. So after you will download the file, you will see that file inside your computer download folder. So you will see this file that is being commerce Wastify. So you just need to open this file. So if you're a window user, you just need to do right click and you will see one option of extract or compress. But if you're an Apple user or if you use Mac or anything like that, just you need to double click here. So now you can see one folder will be generated, and inside this folder you can see all the files which we have used, all the images which we have used to create this e-commerce website. So you can also take the help of these images. If you guys want to upload these images in website, you can. And there are some files like footer, about, and these are the files which we have used to create these websites. Okay, so you will going to need these folder or these files to create e-commerce website with me. I will tell you how you can use it, but make sure you guys download this file, zip file, and then extract it. After you will extract it, it will give you all these files and images. Whether you are creating any kind of website, whether it's a WordPress website, whether it's a website which is made with the help of PHP scripts, if you want to install any type of applications. So for any cases, you require domain and hosting. So in this introduction part, I just want to tell you that domain and hosting is one of the most important thing to build any type of website or to install any type of application inside your servers. So to create any website or to install any application like email application, or there can be any applications, you have to have one domain and hosting. So now let's see how you can set up Hostinger or how you can buy hosting from Hostinger. Now let me make things very simple. I will going to provide you total 10% discount. I will first tell you to use my link. You will going to get 3% discount. Then I will going to tell you to use my coupon code. If you will use this coupon code which I will going to provide you in this video, you will going to get additional 7% discount when you will going to use this link with this coupon code. So make sure that you use both link and coupon code to get total 10% discount. Also, you have to use both of them together, otherwise you will not going to get any discount. So before we proceed further, I just want to clear you what is hosting in a very simple language. Hosting is storage. Whatever images, videos, files you will going to upload inside your website, all those database which includes your image, videos, files, all those will going to store inside one hosting. And hosting is nothing but it is a storage. There are lots of companies who provide hosting, but best, reliable, amazing on performance based 24/7 support. So all this facility you will going to get in one website, that is Hostinger. So Hostinger is a hosting company which provide hosting to you. You just simply need to search blog.bingcommerce.in. After that, you need to put slash mark. Then you have to write Hostinger, Hostinger. Also, I will provide this link in down resources description of this video, so you can also go there and click it. After you will write this blog.bingcommerce.in/Hostinger, just click on enter. So you will go to Hostinger website. Very simple. So now whatever you will purchase, you will going to get 3% discount from here because you have purchased with my link. So now if you are a US citizen, then you can buy in terms of dollars. You can see all the currencies are in dollars. Whatever plan you want to buy, you can buy, no problem. For example, if you are from some other countries, you just need to click on this country icon, just click here, then it will tell you different countries. So for example, I live in India, so if I will click here, so now you people will going to see that right now I'm in Indian Hostinger. So right now it will show currency in terms of my country, that is rupees. Super simple. If you will go to start now, or if you will just scroll down, here you will see that you will going to get three options, that is best web hosting, WordPress hosting, and website builder. I will suggest every one of you to go with web hosting because they are best for startups, for small and medium class business as well. Now here in best web hosting, friends, you can install all your WordPress website, all your email applications, PHP script website in just one click. So I will highly recommend you to go with this web hosting plan. But for some reason you want to choose WordPress, you can go with that. But yes, you can also install WordPress, as I said, in this web hosting in just one click. So please go with these options, and here you will going to see there are lots of plans. You can choose plans according to your requirement. This is the most cheapest plan. If you are just a startup, here you can see you will going to get this much of features. If you will pay more, you will going to get more features according to your plan you will going to choose here. You can see in this plan you can create just one website, one email account, that means support@bingcommerce.in. Professional emails you can create only one. You will going to get free SSL. You will not going to get free domain in this plan. But yes, if you will go with these plans, you will going to get more features like 100 websites you can create, more storage you will get. You will going to get free emails unlimited, free SSL certificate unlimited, free domain for 1 year. So you can choose plans according to your requirement, but I will suggest you it will be best to choose these last two plans. So whatever plan you will choose, all the process will be same. So I will going to select this business web hosting. You just need to click on add to cart. Now you will come here, so you can see you have a lifetime SSL certificate for absolutely free, Cloudflare protection, daily backups. You can have one free domain here. So for example, if I will go for Ghapa, okay, GHAPA Ghap.in. So if I will search here, if this will available, then I can have this domain. So you can see this domain is available. So Hostinger has provided me this for absolutely free. Okay, they are not taking you any charge here. You can choose more domains. So for example, if I do not want this domain, so I can just go with tup.in. So from here you can go with .online, .shop, .tag, .site. Okay, there are many .com. So there are many. Okay, you can choose according to your requirements. So I want tapatup.in. Okay, so I will just click on search. So you can see here domain tapatup.in is taken. So it will going to give you notification that this domain name is not available. You have to try some other domain because it is already being taken by someone else. Okay, so let's go with Ghap.in. Let's try .com. If it is available, then it is amazing. It is also not available, so let's make it .in. Then just click on search. So this domain is available. Okay, so I can just go with this domain. Now here you can see business web hosting. You can just purchase for 1 month, purchase for 12 months, purchase for 24 months, purchase for 48 months. So you can see if you will purchase for 1 month, they will going to charge 1, 2, 3, 4. In your country it can be some other currency. Okay, so it will differ the amount, but in Indian currency it will be very cheap. But as you will go to high plan, so for example, if I will choose to 48 months, so here you can see I can save around 53%. That is huge amount. Okay, you can just go with 24 months, 12 months, but I will recommend please go with at least 12 months. Don't go with 1 month, it will be very much expensive for you. Try to go with 48 months. Okay, so this is the 40th month plan. Now here you will going to see we have this coupon code option. Okay, here you will see one, click here, just click here, and here you can write Bing Commerce, Bing, Bing, Commerce. So you have to add this coupon code, that is Bing Commerce, and after you will write the coupon code here, you just need to click on this plus button. So right now friends, you can see you are getting additional 7% discount from my coupon code, so the price has become very much less. Okay, so here you are getting free SSL, free cloudware protection, free daily backups, plus you are getting one domain for free, plus you are getting 7% discount by my coupon code. It is just amazing. Okay, so you can just go with 48 months. If you want to, 48 months will be actually a very good idea. Then after you will do this, just click on checkout. Then it will ask you to sign up, so you can put your name, email and password. After you will do that, just click on create account and checkout. So for example, I will put Bing Commerce, password is this, then just click on create account and checkout. Then it will going to give you option on which method you want to pay. So again, you can check here, you are purchasing all the details for 48 months, that is 4 years. You are getting free SSL, free cloudware, free domain. Okay, so you can see the tax and everything. So here I will go and pay with debit card or credit card. You can choose according to your requirements, whatever you want to pay. You can do PayPal, UPI. Okay, so friends, here I will going to put all my payment method. Okay, so after you will put your card name, card number, expiry date, CVC code, address or anything, so it will show according to the payment method which you will going to choose. So I'm choosing card, so it is showing me card details. Okay, so after you will do this, just click on pay now. Then it will ask me to put my OTP number. Then I will just click on submit. Then just wait for a few seconds. Then friends, you can see this is how it will going to look. It will tell you welcome to Hostinger Kunal Lunar. It will going to give your name. Then you just need to click on start now. So just click on start now. Now it will immediately tell you to choose a domain. So you have this domain which you have just got. Okay, so you can just do this, or in case if you guys have some other domain, that means you have purchases from maybe GoDaddy, or if you have purchased it from Namecheap, so I will also teach you how you can connect your Hostinger with that domain which you have purchased from GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other domain website. But right now we have taken this domain for free, so I will going to select this domain. Then I will just scroll down. Here I can provide the details. So for example, I live in India, so I can choose India from here for personal purpose. Then I will click on next step. So here it will ask for details, so I will going to put all the details. So the Lunari will be in last name. I will put the details. You can put your phone number. After you will put your all details, you just need to click on finish registration. After you will do this, just wait for a few seconds. Now your domain name is registering, so you have to wait for some minutes. Then from here you can see build a new website. So here you will see one option of skip. I will start from scratch. You just have to click here. Then you just need to finish setup, or before that we can change it. Let's see, to Asia if you want to. I will select it to Asia, then I will click on select. So whatever location are very much close to you, just select them. For India it's Asia, Singapore. Then I will click on finish setup. Then just wait for less than 3 minutes so that your website creation can be done. Then here you can see it will tell you the control panel of Hostinger. So Hostinger control panel is called as H panel. Okay, so you just have to click on this manage site. So friends, you can see now you are in your Hostinger account. Very simple. Now you can see we have successfully purchased our Hostinger. So hope you guys have somehow got the idea of how you can purchase Hostinger hosting. Now here you can see all the things. So whatever renew you want to do, you can do it from here. You can set main domain, you can upgrade your plan, you can set up your accounts, you can change password, you can create email accounts from here. So for example, if your domain name is right now ghapaghab.com, right? So you can put support@ghapaghab.com or .in, whatever your domain name is. Then here you will going to get domains detail. From here you can add any website, subdomains, you can go with Cloudflares, you can go with import website, you can go with migrate website. So for example, if you want one of your website to migrate it inside Hostinger, so for example you have one website in SiteGround, and if you want that site to come to Hostinger, so you can go to migrate. Company will going to do this for you for absolutely free. Okay, so here you have digital marketing, and there are many other options which you can go with the Hostinger panel. So whenever you want to again visit to your hosting of Hostinger, so you just need to search hpanel.hostinger.com, then click on enter. So you will be again go to your Hostinger panel. Okay, so this is the thing I want to teach you. Here we have sent a verification email. Okay, so we can just go and click on resend email. So in our this email address, we have going to get one message from Hostinger, so that Hostinger can verify the email address. Just click on verify email, so that in case in future if you guys have faced any of issue, so with the help of this email address, Hostinger can help you. Okay, so for that purpose they are verifying your email address. So friends, you can see now your email address is also verified in Hostinger. So from here you can manage each and everything. You can go to home, hostings, and almost every place. Okay, so hope you guys have learned how you can create or purchase your Hostinger hosting. So after setting up web hosting, you need to acquire one domain. Then you have to install one SSL certificate. Then you have to install WordPress, and then you need to do basic WordPress settings. So in this lesson resources, I have provided you links for these 4 videos. You just need to watch that video, then you will be able to set up your domain. Now if you have got domain free from Hostinger, but for some reason you require extra domains, so then please watch this video. Otherwise, if you have already got one free domain for 1 year, then leave it. Do not watch this video, install domain. But make sure that you watch all these videos, install SSL certificate, install WordPress, and basic WordPress settings. But I will also suggest you watch 4 videos to get knowledge. Okay, but I will suggest you guys to watch all 4 videos to get knowledge. So now we have successfully installed WordPress. Now we have to first of all install one theme. So to install theme, you just need to go to appearance, then click on themes. Now theme generally means how your website will going to look. So that is theme. Right now we have this theme. So if you will go to your website, just hover here and then right click on visit site and open it in a new tab. You will see right now your website will going to look like this. If you will activate some other theme, so now your website look will going to change little bit. Okay. Now this theme is activated. So if you will refresh your website, now you will see one different look of your website. So hope you guys have understood the concept of theme. So we need to install one Wordpress theme to make our e-commerce website. So to do this, you just need to open one of my blog. I have provided the link in the resources page. Just click on that link, that is blog.beingcommerce.in. Build an e-commerce website with Wordpress for free. Then you will come to this blog. Then here you just need to click on this button, get Wordpress for free. You just have to click here. Then you guys will going to come to this page. So from here you just need to download the theme, and you have to upload inside your website. So it's super simple. Just click on download. Just click on this button, no thanks, I just want to download the theme. Just click here, then click on download now. Then you can see at very bottom one file is downloaded in the zip file. Now you just need to go to your website. Now you need to click on add new. Now you need to click on upload theme. Here you have to click on choose file. Go to download section of your computer. Then you will find this zip file which you have to upload inside your website. Just select this like this, then click on install now. Then just wait for some minutes, maximum 1 or 2 minutes. Then just click on activate from here. Then you can see now Wordpress theme is activated inside your website. So again, just refresh your website. Now you will see some different look of your website. So this is how your website will going to look right now. Of course, we will going to do lots of customization in our website so that we can make it one complete e-commerce website. Okay, now you guys can see this theme is activated. So what we have to do now, we have to delete other themes which are not in use. So for example, these 3 themes we will not going to use, so just delete them. They will going to take extra space in your website, so it's better to delete them. So from bottom right you will see this delete button. Just click on this delete button and delete it. Similarly, you have to delete these 2 themes. After you will delete all the unnecessary themes, you will going to see this single theme which we have to use to make our e-commerce website. Just click on enable auto updates. So now friends, we have done all the necessary tasks related to our theme. So just close this and then just go to your dashboard. Now friends, we have to install some plugins. So here you will see the option of plugins. Click on install plugins. Now plugins are extra features for your website. That means if you will add plugins, so it will going to automatically add some features inside your website. So first of all, we need to install one Elementor page builder that will going to help us to design our website. So again, just go to this blog. I have provided the link again in resources page. So here you will see this Elementor page builder. So just click here and now you can see you are in Elementor page builder. So this page builder will going to help you to do drag and drop, and you can see you can easily create your website. So super simple. So first of all, you just need to go to pricing. Of course, we will going to use free Elementor, but you guys can also go with Pro Elementor. You can see these are the prices and you will going to get lots of amazing features if you will going to use paid Elementor plan. Okay, so we will right now go with free. So just click on get started. Then it will ask you to create your account. If you already have created, you just need to log in. But if you're very much new, you just need to provide your email and password. But in my case, I have already registered, so I will click on login and then I will click on login. Similarly, you can create one account. Then you can use any option you guys want to. For example, I will go with my business for myself. You can choose anything. You can choose this option. Then you will see this option. Great. Click below to install Elementor on your existing website. Just click on continue. Then here you will see option of install basic website for completely free. Install. Click on install free. Here you have to provide the domain name of your website. So for example, my is this one. You just need to copy your domain name like this of your website. You just have to paste the domain name or your website URL here and then click on check for WordPress. Then you need to click on install Elementor. Then at bottom right, you guys will going to see we have option to install now. So you just need to click on that install now button from bottom right. Then wait for some few minutes. So it will going to install. So after you will wait for some minutes, just click on this install plugin right now. Then you will see Elementor and activate and delete option. Right now you don't have to do anything. Now we have to add some more plugins. So right now we have to add Elementor. So with the help of Elementor, we can just do drag and drop and we can create our website. So we have added this functionality inside our website. So similarly, we have to add more plugins. So just click on add new. From here, just search WooCommerce, W-O-O C-O-M-M-E-R-C-E. So this is the spelling, that is D-O-O commerce. Okay. So you will see this plugin WooCommerce by Automatic. You just need to click on install now. So then you guys will going to see this activate option, but you don't have to activate right now. You just need to search again, that is contact form 7. So just search here contact. Then you will see this plugin, that is contact form 7 by Takushi Mayoshi. Just click on install now. Then you have to install more plugins. So just search swatches, S-W-A-T-C-H-E-S, swatches. So this is the spelling, that is swatches. Now you will see this plugin, that is variation swatches for WooCommerce, so by Imran Ahmed. So you just need to click on install now from here. Now there is one more last plugin you have to install, that is wishlist. Search for wishlist. This is the spelling. You will see this plugin TI WooCommerce wishlist by Template Invaders. Just click on install now. So friends, now we have installed all the plugins which we require to create one professional e-commerce website for free. So just click on this install plugin. Then you can see these are the plugins which has to be activated. So now we can directly bulk activate it. So just click on this box from this top. Automatically all will be selected. From bulk action, select activate, click on apply. So now friends, you can see all our plugins are activated successfully. Now you have to again click on this bulk top button, that is box, and from bulk action select enable auto updates, then click on apply. Whenever new update will going to come to these plugins, it will be automatically updated. So just go to your dashboard now. Now friends, here you can see we have lots of useful data like this Elementor overview. You can drag this, but we do not require Elementor overview right now. So you can just screen option it, just remove this, and then you can just click on this run the setup wizard. Then you will come to this page. So just click on let's go, click on continue. Okay, just click on continue, continue, again click on continue. So now your this setup is ready. Now at very bottom, you guys will going to see this return to WordPress dashboard option. Just click on here. Now you guys have successfully configured all the plugins and settings. Now we have to do some WooCommerce settings. So just click on this start selling. Then you guys will going to see something like this option, or you can even see this option in before as well. So here you just have to provide some general information. This is just a survey. It does not matter a lot. So just put all the informations, like I will choose India Chhattisgarh, and then just click on continue, then click on no thanks for now. Then it will ask you to choose industry, so you can choose whatever you want. Just click on continue. From here you can select the physical products as well as download if you want to. I just want to go with physical products because it is an e-commerce website. Just click on continue. How many products you want to display, or I don't have any product yet. no, and from here just switch off all of this, then click on continue because we don't want these plugins. Then you guys will see it will recommend some of the themes, but we will not go with this, we will only go with our theme. So you can just click on continue with my active theme. Then it will ask you to install Jetpack. You just have to click on no thanks. So now you have done the basic configurations of WooCommerce. So it will going to help us to use all the e-commerce functionality like accepting payment from our potential customers and everything. So from WooCommerce, just click on settings. From here you can again put the address and everything where you want to ship. You can even choose specific countries, like you can choose sell to specific country. I can choose it to India, US, United States, or wherever you guys want to, but for me I will go with India. You can choose more if you want to. Then from here you guys can enable tax rates. Of course you will going to charge your customers with taxes, so just enable that. Then from currency, make your currency like in India we follow Indian currency, so I can choose Indian rupees, but I will right now go with USD, that is United States US dollar. Then just click on save changes. Then just go to products. Make sure that you guys choose the shop option here. Then just scroll down. Here you guys can choose weight. So for example, I can go with grams because I just want to sell lightweight products like shirt, pant, smartphones. But if you have heavy bulky products like refrigerator and anything like that, then you can go with kilograms as well. Now of course you guys if belong from some other countries, then you can of course choose option according to your business and according to what your country follows. Okay, then just click on save changes. Now friends, you just need to go to inventories from here. So from here everything is great, you don't have to do anything. Just go to downloadable products. From here also all things are great. Now click on text. Now friends, you have to select text as well because right now you guys can see only two texts are selected, that is reduce rate and zero rate, right? So for text and shipping you guys can take the help of YouTube because friends, it is not possible for me to tell you the tax settings of all different countries because all different countries follow different tax system. In India it is Indian GST. If you belong to some other countries, then you will have some different tax system. So you just have to search here tax settings in WooCommerce. Then just click on enter. Now friends, you guys can see there are lots of videos. So according to your country, it will show some videos on how to set up tax settings. You can watch any videos and set up tax settings for your WooCommerce. Similarly, you can go with shipping. So just search here shipping settings in WooCommerce. So again, you guys will going to see tons of videos. Just watch any of the video from YouTube according to your country, and then you guys can easily put tax and shipping for your e-commerce website. Now just click on payments. So now friends, in payments you can see lots of options, like if you want your customers to directly pay inside your direct bank transfer, you can enable these settings. You can enable cash on delivery if you want to. You can enable PayPal standard as well if you want to take online payment. Now friends, see, one thing I want to tell you is that there are two more payment gateway, that is Stripe payment gateway as well as InstaMojo payment gateway. So Stripe is for all the countries, InstaMojo is especially for Indians. So if you also want to enable those payment gateways, you guys can enable that. Stripe is the payment gateway. I want all of you guys to enable it. I will provide one link in resources page how you can enable that Stripe payment gateway. You just need to install one plugin and then you have to create one account in Stripe website, and then you have to just connect your WooCommerce and Stripe together. So I will provide one video link in the resources page of this video. You can watch that video and you can learn how to integrate Stripe payment gateway with your website or WooCommerce store. Similarly, if you guys are Indians, then you can also install InstaMojo payment gateway. I will also provide the link on how you can integrate InstaMojo with your website. Now if you will click on this direct bank transfer, so you can just click on setup. So if you want your customers to pay directly to your bank account, so you can provide your account name here, account number, bank name, IFC number, SWIFT code and every detail, so that your potential customers can see these details and they can directly pay to your bank account. Okay, if you will again click on payments, then you can also enable cash on delivery. So you can also disable this direct bank transfer if you guys don't want your customers to pay you directly to your bank account. Now I will tell you how you can integrate PayPal easily. So just click on manage. So if you have a PayPal, so it is very great. It is used worldwide. Okay, so it's very great. So when you will click on PayPal manage option, so make sure it is enabled. Just scroll up. Now from here you guys have to connect your PayPal to your website. So it's very easy. Just go to this blog article again. So here I have added one more option, that is PayPal payment integration. Just click on this button. If you are a new, you can sign up. In my case, I can just click on login. Then just scroll up. Here you guys will going to see we have this option, manage API credentials. Just click on this option. So now you guys can see API username, API password and signature. So this is the information you guys have to put to here, that is API username, API password and API signature. So for example, I will show with username, so I can click on show. I can just copy this, I can just paste it here. Similarly, you have to click on API password and signature. You have to just copy those codes and you have to paste the API password here. And then you have to similarly click on signature show. You will get one code. Just copy that and paste it inside API signature, because I will not going to show, because those are my personal informations. Okay, so for safety purpose, I'm hiding that. So after you will do this, you just have to click on save changes. Then your PayPal will be successfully get connected with your website. Super simple, super easy. Then just go to your accounts and privacy. Then make sure that you guys select all these options, and after you will do this, just scroll down and click on save changes. Then go to advanced, click on this advanced setting. From here, make sure that your cart page is selected to cart, checkout to checkout, my account to my account, and then just scroll down and just click on save changes. Now friends, you have done all the WooCommerce settings. Then just go to your dashboard. So now guys, I will going to teach you how you can add products inside your website. So it's super simple, super easy. So first we will going to teach you how you can add single product. Then we will teach you how you can add attribute variation product. Attribute variation product means like this. Here you can see your product is in different colors, different size. So this is called as variation products or attribute variation products. We will also teach you how you can add downloadable product as well. So now first look how we can create one single product. It is very easy. Just go to products, click on add new. I will just name this product as single product. Now friends, here you have to write the big paragraph of your product. So for example, big paragraph means here you can see this is one big paragraph, right? So whatever you will going to mention here, it will going to show in below of your product. Then friends, here you have to put one category. That means in which category this product fall in. So you can add one more category, like I can say top wear, very simple. Then click on add new category. Now you can make subcategory and you can put that product inside subcategory. Right now we have created top wear. So inside this we can create t-shirt. We can put it inside top wear and then click on add new category. Simple. Now let me publish this product so that I can show you how everything look practically. So you have published your product. Now you can see your product. Just right click it and open it in a new tab. So right now you guys can only see that we have this description which we have added right now, which is this one. We have name of the product, that is single product at very top, and we have no images. So let's add each and everything right now. So here first of all it is a simple product, or I can say one single product. In price you can mention, let's say $10. Then you can put inventory. So you can here provide one unique name for your this product. So I can name it t-shirt 001, whatever you want. You can provide one unique name to every of your product. You can even enable stock management at product level. From here you can mention the stock quantity. Now for example, if some product you have added in your store and all people have purchased all your product, so you can even take pre-orders as well from here. Now you can also mention low stock threshold. That means for example, if you will put 2, so now what will going to happen? Whenever your product quantity will fall to 2, so you will get notification in your email that this product is only left in 2 quantity, like this. So that is low threshold, but right now I will not put anything. Then comes shipping. Here you can write the weight, dimensions of your product, and from product tag you guys can mention tags like t-shirt, man, etc, etc. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Now you have to mention one product image. So I can add one product image. So for example, let's put select files. I've provided you one zip folder. So here you will see product images, like this is one product image. So I can add this product image. So here you have to write the alt text. So it can be t-shirt. Write the title like this and click on set product image. So now this image will be your product image for this product, okay, or I can say main image for your this product. Here you have to write the short description. So short description will going to show here like this. So let me just put this only. So I can put this here like this, okay, just for an example. So this is a short description. Now if you will just click on update, so after you will update it, just refresh your this page. So now friends, you can see the difference we have. Here it is the short description, add to cart button, add to wish list. Here it is showing the description. People who will going to review, it will going to show here. Now don't worry, we will going to make some changes, customizations. We will make it more dark. Okay, so we will do each and everything. But right now I am just teaching you how you can add product. Now here you have one more options. If you see here, the regular price is showing $10, okay, here. But if you want to put the sale price. So sale price is $5. That means your product price is $10 and you are selling it at $5. Also here you can add the product gallery image, so more images will going to show along with this image. So for example, these two image, let's put these two image as a product gallery image. So let me show you how it works actually. So after you will upload the images, click on add to gallery. Now you guys can see this is the main product image and this is the product gallery. Now just update it. After you will update these, just refresh right now. So now you can see that our product price is $10, but we are selling it as a $5 because we have changes here, you can see. And now you can see different product image. So if you will select here, so this is another product image, people or your customers can zoom this like this. Okay, so hope you guys have understood the concept of product image and product gallery. So this is how, friends, you can create single product. Now if you want to see all your products, then you just need to click on all products, and here you guys will going to see all the products you will going to put inside your website. In this way you can create one single product for your website. Now friends, I will going to teach you how you can add digital product to your website, like for example ebooks or any files you want your potential customers to download after they will going to purchase from your website. So again, it's very simple. Just click on add new, name this product whatever you want. I will name it as digital product. Just to show you, I will write the long description for this product. Now this is a digital product, right? So you need to select these two options, that is virtual and downloadable. Then here you have to provide the price. So let's suppose it's $10 price. Here you have to provide the file name. So write the file name like demo file, and here you have to upload your ebook or whatever you have. For example, this is my demo file. I want that when people will going to purchase this digital book, so they will going to download this file. So you just have to upload this file. It can be in the form of PDF or any file. Select the product image, set it as a product image. So this is the image I have put. I can also put the short description for this digital product. You can mention product limit. That means how many times people can download this file again. If you will leave blank, people can download unlimited time. If you will put 2, so people can only download 2 times after they will purchase it. So it's totally up to you. Download expire date. You can mention number of days before a download links expire or leave blank. Okay, so if you want to charge tax, so you can, but this is a digital product, so I will mention not to charge any tax. So after you will do this, just click on publish, but before publishing it, make sure that you also provide tag. You can also add category, so I can put it inside ebook. Click on add new category. So I've selected as ebook, then just publish it. Then just view your product. So this is how your product will going to look like, short description, long description, and everything. Now we will teach you at very end of this course how your website will going to work practically. Again, click on all products. Now you guys can see the 2 products we have created right now. So now guys, we will going to teach you how you can create attributes or variation products. So I will just going to edit this product, or I can just duplicate it. Let's duplicate this same product. Now I can name it as a variable, or I can say attribute product. Now first of all, you just have to publish this product. Now open this product in a new tab. So it is looking like a single product, but we will now going to add color button and size button as well. Okay, so how you can do that? First of all, you just need to go to attributes. Just go to attributes. From attributes, you can just name it as color. Name color. In type, you have to select color, and you have to click on add attribute. So color attribute has been added. Similarly, you have to do with size. Just right here size. Inside type, just select button and click on add attribute again. So now you can see we have color and size attribute added. So in colors, you just need to click on configure terms, and from here you can write black color name. Okay, so whatever color name you guys want, actually you can just select it. For example, I will select black. I will click on add new color. So whatever color you want for your product, just add those attributes. I also want to add red. I will select the color, and from here I will choose red. You can also select from here as well, and then I will click on add new color. So you can add as many colors as you want, but to make things simple, I will just going to explain you with very small options so that you won't get confused. Okay, so now we have added all the colors. Now you have to go to attributes again. Just click on attributes. Now you can see in color we have added black and red. Similarly, you have to configure size. Just click on configure terms. Here you can write the size. So for example, I only want large, or I can say small size cloth, large size cloth. I will click on add new size. So we have added two sizes, that is large and small. And again, if you will click on attributes, now you guys can see that we have color of black and red, size of large and small. Then just click on all products. Now this was the variable, so just click on edit. Now just scroll down from simple product, click on variable product. Now go to attributes, select the custom attribute to size first of all. Or first let's choose color, then click on add. From here, make sure that you guys tick mark this used for variations. Now from value, select all the colors which we have made from these attributes, that was red and black. Then click on save attributes. Similarly, just select this. Now just select size, click on add, click on use for variations. Now select the value, that is small and large. Then click on save attributes. So we have done all the things. Just again click on save attributes, then just go to variations. Then from here just select this create variation for all attributes, then click on go. It will show you notification, click on OK. Now it is showing 4 variation added. Okay, so now you can see it is showing variation of black color with large size, black color with small size, similarly red color with large size, red color with small size. So you can edit all of them individually. From here it is black large, so here you can select this black image. For example, you can put the price to $10, you can mention weight, height and everything. Similarly, you have to click on this arrow and you have to do all the other things. So here also black color, so in black we will choose this image and we can put this as $9 for example. Then in red just click on arrow, from here just upload one red color image of cloth, which is let's say this one. I will select this image as red. You can add the price, let's say $8. Similarly, you can do with this as well. You can select the image which is this one. Price, let's put it $7. And now just click on save changes and just click on update. Now the magic you guys will going to see here is when you will going to refresh your page. Now you can see if you will click on this red with large size, so you will going to get image of this red. Similarly, if you will choose black, so in black you have chosen this one, right? So here you guys can see the price as well. So here this black and large price is $10. Now if you will choose black and small, so the price will be become $9. If your potential customers want to buy red color with a small size, so he has to pay $7. And if he want red color with large size, he has to pay $8. So just play around these settings of these attributes and variables and you can do magic. Okay, so this was the thing I want to teach you, how you can make variable products. Now click on all products. So now you can see all the products we have created. Now you can just edit this, you can even delete it, you can view this product how it will going to look, you can duplicate it. Okay, so in this way you guys can create different products, whether it's a single product, digital product or a variable product. Now just go to dashboard. Now friends, we will going to create one last technical part, that is we will going to create our home page and our blog page. As you all know, we will going to do some blogging in our website to get extra traffic, and we will also going to create one home page. Now what is home page? Whenever someone will going to type your website domain name, so for example I will type academy.beingcommerce.in, this is my domain. So you can see when they will type your domain name, the first page they will going to visit is called as home page. So for this website, my home page is this page, and this home page is the main page which represents your website. So similarly, you have to tell to your WordPress what is your home page and what is your blog page. So you first have to go to pages, click on all pages. Now you have to create two pages, that is home page and blog page. Just click on add new. Name it as home page. Now just publish it again. Now if you again want to go to your WordPress website, just click on this top logo. Again click on add new. Now we have to create one page for blog. So now whenever you publish any new blog, it will going to store inside this page. So just name it as blogs, blog, whatever you want. Just click on publish. So we have created successfully two pages, that is home page and blog page. Now just again go to your WordPress website by clicking on this logo. Now friends, we have to connect this home page to home page and this blog page to blog page. How you can do that? Just go to settings, then click on reading. So from here you guys have to select a static page, and from home page you have to select to home page, and from post page, that means blog page, to your blog page, like this, and then click on save changes. So friends, you have done all the settings successfully. Then just go to your dashboard. So whenever your potential customers will going to write the domain name of yours, so they will first go to the home page. And similarly, we have created one blog page, so that whenever you write any new post, all those posts will going to store inside the blog page. We will going to tell you everything in future. Right now, do not worry. So now friends, we have done all the technical part. Now we just need to design our website. So now if you will hover on your website, if you will just right click and if you will visit your website, this is how your website will going to look. Very simple, without any content. So now we just need to design this website without any CSS. You just need to do drag and drop. I will tell you how. You just need to go to pages, click on all pages. Now from this home page, just right click on this edit, open this in a new tab. So now friends, after you will open it, you just need to click on edit with Elementor from this top button. And now friends, you are in Elementor page builder. Now you just need to do drag and drop and you can create one professional website. I will teach you how. For example, here you can see we have this plus button. Now if you will select this 3 section for example, so now you just have to click on these 9 dots. You will come to the main menu part. From here you can just drag this button here. Now you can customize this button. You can make it to middle, right, left. You can provide one link to button. So now every element which you will going to add, you will going to get 3 options, that is content, style and advanced. So in style you can just style these button colors, like if you want it to red. In advanced you will going to get extra features like motion effect, background, etc, etc. Now if you again want to go to your elements, so again click on this 9 elements dots. So when you will click this 9 dots, you will again going to see this element button. Now you can also add video. For example, here you can see one video has been added. If you again want to go to menu, you can again go to menu. You can put heading as well. For example, you can put heading. Again you will going to get one content, style and advanced. Okay, so this is how you can do drag and drop and you can easily create any professional kind of website. Now at very bottom you will see one update button. So make sure that every minute you update whatever changes you will going to make here for safe site, because I've seen sometimes people make lots of customization in their website and for some reason they forget to update, and whatever changes they have made to their website, all the data get lost. So it's better to update frequently. Now if you will refresh your website or just go to your domain, now you will see the changes in your website here. You can see you have added one button, one video and one heading. So this is how Elementor works. Now if you want to remove this, so you can remove it from here. Okay, so now let's design our website. Now when we will going to teach you how to design it, you will automatically going to get familiar with Elementor and how to use it. Now first of all, just click on this plus button and select this one column. Now first of all you can just go to elements, and from here first of all you can drag the text editor here. Now text editor will going to help you to write the text. Okay, so you can write, we are proud to introduce. So we have written the text. Now you can just go to style and you can change the color. Now it is by default left. You can make it to middle, but make it to left only. Now you can change the text color. So from here you can just write, remove everything. Now you can put a slash mark. You can add 474747 to make it extra dark. Now friends, we will going to use this color frequently. Okay, so you can save this color. How you can do that? Just click on this plus button. Now you can just add here slash 474747 and then just click on create. Now whenever you will click on this globe icon, so you will going to get your color which you have just saved. So it will going to save lots of our time. We don't have to every time go to the color and we have to put 4747. Okay, we can directly click on this global icon and we can select our color. Now you can click on typography. So with the help of typography you can change the font weight and everything. So here you can change the typography of this font. So here right now it is selected as Roberto. I can make it to, let's say, some different font. Let's say I will make it to Poppins. So whatever you guys want, you can put that. It's totally up to you. Now from the size you can make it to 12 and let's change the weight. So weight means how your text will going to look more bolder. So if you will put to 800, so you can see it will become more bold. Now if you will choose to 100, so it will become very light. So I will choose 600. You can transform it to uppercase, so all will become uppercase. So we have done all the settings for this. Now you can just select these 9 elements again. Now we can choose heading. So you can just drag the heading just below this text editor like this. And here you can write. So here I have written fashionable, fit, trending style, menwear. So what if I want to put this in three lines like this. So you just need to add open arrow like this, and you have to write BR, then you have to close it. So you can see that this trending style will go down. Okay, so now if you want that this men wear to go in third line, so after trending style you can again click on open bracket, add BR, and then close it. So now you can see that men wear will go in third line. Okay, so even if you will now put everything in one line, so it will still be at these three lines because we have added the BR. Okay, so whenever you will going to add BR, so you will going to make next word after BR to another line. Now let's customize this text with the color. So just go to style, select the color, remove this, put a slash mark, then you have to add 2b 2b 2b. Now again you can save this color because we will going to use this color a lot of times. So just click on plus button, here you can write slash 2b 2b 2b, click on create. So we have successfully saved that color. If you will click on globe, so now you can see that we have saved this as well. So we will going to use these colors frequently, so that's the reason we have saved it here. Now just click on typography. From here I will select Poppins. Now from size you can make it to, let's say, 45. It is good. Now friends, you can see that we need some space in between these three tags, so we can do with the help of line height. So first of all you can select the px from here and you can write here 60, let's say. So now you can see we have good amount of space in between these three lines. Okay, now we have to add one more text editor at bottom. So again just go to elements by clicking on this 9 dots, drag the text editor just below this text. Here you can write whatever you want to. So we have written exclusive from Ecommerce, so whatever you guys want to, you can do that. I will go to style. Now I have already saved the color, so I can click on this globe icon and I can select 2b 2b 2b, so it will automatically going to match with this color. Now in typography I can make the font family to Poppins again. So now guys, see, whatever you guys want to, you can customize it. I'm just giving you idea how Elementor page builder works. So after this course you will actually going to learn how you can use Elementor page builder. So right now I'm just giving you idea from which settings you will going to get which features. Okay, and now I can make the size to, let's say, 18. Now we don't have to do anything right now, so I can just go to 9 elements again, and from here I can choose button. So just drag the button down this here like this. Now friends, here in the text here you can just customize it whatever you want. So I can write shop now like this, and in link you can just remove it and here you can write shop. So you can see automatically it will going to give you options. So you have to select this shop page where all your products will going to show. So just select this. Now we will going to customize this button. So just go to style. So just go to typography, and as I said that I will going to use Poppins in majority of my website. So I will select the Poppins, and for size I want to make it 14. Now in weight I want it to be little bit darker. So let's put it 600 is okay. Transform it to uppercase, so all will become uppercase like this. You can see shop now, and I can do one more thing. I can just increase the letter spacing. So you can see right now this shop now, these letters are so much sticky with each other, so I can make this letter apart little bit. So I can write here 1, so it will now increase some space between letters. So after you will do this, just go to color and we can change the color to whatever you want. So I will put 22ADC9. Even I can save this color as well. So I can put this color. I will click on create, that is slash mark 22ADC9. So whatever color you guys want to use. So now guys, whatever color you guys want, you can use it for your website, or you can also even follow me as well. Now friends, you can also do something in padding. So now if you don't know what is padding, so with the help of padding you can increase the border of this button. So first of all unlink it. So now from top just add 15, from bottom also add 15, from right just add 35, from left also just add 35. Now we can also add some kind of shadow. So you can just click on this box shadow like this. So you can see that you have added some kind of shadow. You can change the shadow color of this button. So right now I can put it to this 22ADC9. So now you can see the background color is light blue. Okay, then make sure that, as I said you, that you have to frequently click on update. So make sure that you guys update. Now friends, we can add one background image at back. So how you can do that? So you can add one image. So just follow the cursor. Here you can see I'm in this 6 dot which says edit section. So you just need to click there. So you will see this edit section. then just go to style, then just click on classic. Then you have to choose one image. So I've provided you file, so there I've added one image. This is a slide image. You can also use this image, or even you can add your custom image as well. Okay, then click on insert media. So now you can see that you have added one image, but it is not properly added. Now to make this image fit properly, so we can do this easily by going to this setting which says size. From here, choose to cover. So now you can see that image will going to come here like this. You can even do some more changes. For example, I want the position to be center to center, so it will become center to center. Now friends, you can increase some space from top and bottom. You can see that shop now button is so much stake here, so you can do by going to advanced setting. From here you can just go with paddling. So if you will increase the paddling, like for example, if you will increase it, so you can see all the sides will going to increase, so that is very bad. Okay, so just make it to 0. First of all, you have to unlink it, then from top add 30. So you can see we have got 30 space at top, and from bottom also just add 30. Then click on update. So now if you will just go and type your domain name, and if you will refresh your website, so now you can see that your website is looking like this, which is amazing, right? So in this way we have completed the first section. So you can see it is super simple to do drag and drop and create the website. So similarly, we have to do more drag and drop and we can create one professional website. Okay, now you can just click on this arrow to make the Elementor settings go here. So this is how your website is looking. If you again want to go to Elementor settings, just click on this arrow button. So you will again going to see the Elementor settings. So now guys, we have done our first section. So now let's go to second section. So to create second section, just click on this plus button. Click on this first column. Now you can add one text editor. So just click on this 9 element dots. From here, just drag the text editor here, and here you can write passion for fashion. Then you can just go to style, and you can just go put it to center align like this. And from the style, you can choose this global. So if we can make it to be this color. Now you can also make some changes in typography. If you guys want to, you can make it to, let's say, Poppins. Now you can also save this font from here also, other settings, but let's make it manual only. You can make the weight to more darker like this. I can even make the size to 17 like this. Now I can add one heading at down. So again, click on 9 dot elements. Just drag the heading down, and here you can write shop by categories. Now you can make it to center align like this, and here in style, you guys can make it to this 2A AD C9, which is this same color. You can go to typography and you can change it to Poppins if you want to. So now guys, you can see that we have lots of space in between passion for fashion and shop by categories. So you can just select this shop by categories. You can go to advanced, and here first of all unlink both of them, and from margin just decrease it, so you can see it will go upper like this. And make sure from bottom you put some gap, so you can increase from bottom like this. Maybe let's say 18 or make it 20. Now you have to select this passion for fashion. So just click on this edit button, follow my cursor, and from the advanced, just go to advanced, unlink both of first of all unlink them and increase it from top. So you can see there is now difference here from this first section and passion for fashion. Okay, now friends, you have to add one more row. So just click on this plus button, click second option, this one. Now you can just go to elements and you can use inner section. So inner section will going to divide one section into two parts. You can see 1 and 2. Now friends, we have to add images here. So just click on this elements, drag the image here. Now from here, just select one image, go to upload files. I've provided you the images. Inside media, you can see these images. So you can use these images, or you can even use your own images if you guys want to. So we will going to use this image. Click on insert media. So you can see that this image has been added. Now friends, you can add caption and link to this image as well. So let me show you. In caption, write custom caption. Here you can write t-shirts. Even you can add one link. So whenever someone will click on this image, they can go to any link you will going to provide here. So now guys, you can also do one more thing. Just click on custom URL. Here you can provide t-shirt category. So as you all know, when we are creating our products, so we have created categories. Okay, so you can just go to products, you can go to categories. So as you all know that we have created category of t-shirts. So you can just hover here and just view it by opening it in a new tab. So this is your category for t-shirt, right? So you can just copy the URL like this. you can go to Elementor page builder, and here you can paste the URL. So whatever t-shirt you will going to have for your website, whenever someone will click here, they will go to t-shirt categories. Now guys, we will do further changes here. We will going to show these t-shirts at here. Okay, we will do it in future. So right now you have to add more images, so just click on elements again, go to images and drag these images at top like here. Just select the image. Here you can add this image, just click on insert media, so this image will be added. Similarly, just go to elements, put images here. One more time, go to images, put one image here. Now in this image we have to put caps. Okay, insert media. You can also write caption here, so let's put caps here. For example, you can click on edit here, and you can also add one more image of shoes. So this is the shoes. You can also add custom caption. Here you can add shoes. Similarly, in this image you can also add one caption, that is bags. Super simple. So now friends, as you all know how you can make different categories, I have told you. For example, you want to add bag category, so you can just go to products, directly go to categories, or even you can create categories as I have shown you when we were creating products. So from there also you can directly create categories, or you can directly create one new categories. For example, let's say when you will go to products categories, you can create one categories of bags. You can put it under something. Okay, and then just click on add new category. So you can see bag category has been added. View it, open it in a new tab. This is your bag category. So whenever you put all bags under this category, all bags will going to show here. So similarly, you can just go to bags. Here also you can add custom link, paste the URL here. So this is how you can create separate categories for cap, shoes, or whatever products you have for your business. Then just click on update. Of course, you guys want to create or upload your products images, you can do that. It's totally up to you, or even you can use the images which I have provided to you for free. Okay, now friends, you can see that we have lots of difference in these images. So you can just click on this edit button here on 6 dots. Then inside layout you can go to this column gap and you can make it to narrow. So now you can see there is very narrow gap between these two columns. And now friends, if you want to make this caption to at here, that means bags will come to here, caps will going to show here, so it's look very amazing. So what you can do, you can just go to advanced, you can go to CSS classes, and here you have to write Woostify, WOOSTIFY /mark, or I can say slash shop / category. So you can see that all things have come here. So now it is looking far more better. Okay, now friends, you can see that we have lots of gap between these images in these images. So we can also do some changes here. So just click on this edit button of this image, just go to advanced, unlink it, just add 10 first of all, and here you can add minus. So now you can see the gap has reduced. Now similarly you have to click on this edit button here, follow my cursor, and just go to column gap and make it to narrow again. So now you can see there is a very narrow gap between these two images. So friends, you can also add more gap here. So let's go to advanced, increase the margin. First of all, unlink it, increase the margin for top. Now it is looking great. Okay, so this much gap is fine. So this is how our second section is looking. So just click on update. Now guys, we can add one more section. So it's very simple. So what you can do, I will teach you one new thing, that is just go here on this edit section, just click here, right click on copy, go here in this section, right click and click on paste. So now you can see the same style we have pasted here. Now you just need to edit it. So just click on this pencil button. From here you can write let's shop. Similarly, just click here, you can write new arrivals. Now friends, here we have to add some products. To add products, you just need to open new tab, and here you have to search WooCommerce shortcodes. Okay, you just have to search this, that is WooCommerce shortcodes, and you will going to see the first link, which is talks.woocommerce.com. You just need to open this. Now scroll down, you can use various shortcodes that will going to help you for displaying your products. So here you can put random sales item. So we will first of all go with these featured products. So just copy this. Now just go to your Elementor page builder. From here just go to elements, search for shortcodes here in this search bar, SHORT shortcode. You will see this option, just drag it down here like this, and here you have to just paste this shortcode which you have just copied. So I will just right click and paste it. And now friends, you have to make some changes. That means here in the product limit you have to put 4. In column you can put 4. So 4 products will going to show here. Okay, so now no image will going to show here because we have not set any products to featured images. So first of all you have to apply it and then just click on update. Now if you want to set any product as a featured product, so just click on all products. Now if you want to feature any product, just click on the star button. So if you want to feature this product, so just put or click on the stars. I also want to feature this product. I also want to feature this product as well. So now you have featured these three products. So now if you will refresh your Elementor page builder, but make sure that first you update it, then only refresh. Okay. Now just scroll up. Now you can see that these three images has been added. Now don't worry, at last we will going to configure the image size properly. But the thing I want to tell you is that how you can feature products. So now you can just edit it. Now it's not new arrivals, it's featured products. So whatever products you will going to add, and when you will going to feature it, it will going to show here automatically. Then just click on update. So now guys, we can add one more section. So here you can show about free shipping, you provide dedicated support, you provide money back guarantee as well. Just click on this plus button, and now you have to select the three column. Now you have to just go to elements. From here you have to select the inner sections. I will tell you why you are selecting inner sections. Just follow me, then you will going to understand everything. Now here you can add one icon. So just go to elements, search here icon. So just drag the icons here like this. Now you can change the icon as well. So for example, I will choose basket like this, insert it. Now you can see basket has been added. Now you can go to style, you can change the color. For example, I choose this color. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose it for yourself. Now you can even do some changes in size. So let me make it to 36. Now friends, we want this icon to go left. Okay, so what you guys can do, you can just click here on this section, and here in content width you can make it to 25. So this will go to 25, and in this section you have lots of space. Now you can just go to elements. First of all, you drag one heading here. You can write free shipping like this. You can go to style, you can change the typography to, let's say, Poppins. You can even change the color, so I can choose this same color, and you can also make the size of this to 20, let's say. Now 20 is looking great. Then you can make it more bolder, 700, but 600 is looking great. Now go to elements, and from here you have to add text editor. Just drag the text editor here. You can edit the text. So I have written here, on all orders over $200. Now you can go to style, and you can just customize it. For example, let's make this color to 2A2B, this one. You can go to typography, select to Poppins. I've selected Poppins. Now friends, what you guys can do, you can just click on this edit section of this icon here, and you can make the vertical align to middle. So now you can see that this icon has come to middle. Similarly, you can select this whole edit button, and from this vertical align you can also make it to middle. Okay, you can also select this, you can also make it to middle. Okay, so now it's looking great. Okay, you can see now it is fine. So now it's looking very great. Okay, now friends, you can just copy this whole section. Just click on this edit button in the 6 dot, right click, copy it, just paste it here. Similarly, paste it here also. Now you can just click on this edit button here. You can just make changes. Just make to headphone like this. Okay, so this will going to save lots of our time. Now you can edit this free shipping. Here you can write dedicated support. Now click here. Here you can write quick response 24/7. Now you can click on this edit basket. Here you can add, let's say, card. So I can add this card, for example. And here just click on this edit button in free shipping, and you can change it to money back guarantee. You can also change this text. Just click on this pencil button here, and you can make changes to worry free shopping. Okay, all done. Then just click on update, because we have done all the necessary changes. And this is how your website will going to look like now. And now friends, you can do one more thing. You can just click on this border. Here you can go to style. Now you can go to border. You can make it to solid, and in left and right, first of all unlink it. In right you have to write 1, in left also you have to write 1. Okay, now you can just see this is how now this border will show here. So now it is looking great. Now just click on update. So now friends, we have to create one more section. So just click here. I can say we have to create more 2 sections. So just click on this 6 dot, just click on copy again, go here and just paste it. So we have got everything duplicated. Now we have to make some little changes here. First of all, click on this edit button here, and here you can write trending now. In featured product, just click on this edit, and here you guys can write popular this week. Now you can just click on this section. Here you have to provide one more shortcode. So just go to your same WooCommerce shortcode, and from here you can go to newest product. So whatever new product you will going to publish in your website, first of all just copy the shortcode here like this. So whenever you will put new products in your website, so new products will going to automatically show here. So just remove this one and paste the newest one like this. And here you guys can see right now ID. So here you can type RAND, that is random. So instead of new products, you can show all the random products. Okay, so it will automatically going to show here. So guys, similarly you can just copy and paste and whatever shortcodes you want. For example, specific products, best selling products. So just copy the shortcodes and just paste it here, and you will see that shortcode will going to work here. It is super simple. Then just click on update. Now we have to create one more section. So what you guys can do now, you can just copy this section. So just click on these 6 dots, just copy this and just go down and here just paste it. Now just click on this pencil button and here you can write stay up to date. Now here in this headline, just click on this pencil edit button, and here you guys can write follow us on Instagram, and you can provide your Instagram images. Now you can do one more thing, just click on this plus button and now you can select 5 column, which is this one. Then you can make the content width to full width. So now what will happen when you will choose full width, so your whole website will be covered with that images. Right now you can see it is in boxed way, you can see it is box, you can see it is in box way, you can see this section is also in a box way. So I will teach you what does that mean in a few bit later. And you can also stretch the sections and you can make the column gap to, let's say, no gap. Now you can just go to elements, just drag the image here. Now select the image, go to upload files. Now I have provided you the file. So here in Instagram you will find all these 5 images. If you want to use it, you can use it, or you can even create yours as well. So first I will put this as image. I have put the image. Now you just need to click on this edit button and you have to right click and you have to copy it and you have to paste here. Just paste it, paste it, paste it. Here also paste it. Now you just have to click on this second button or second pencil button of this image. You can now just change it to this one. Similarly, just select the third image pencil and here you can edit. Here you can edit some other images like I'm doing, which is this one. So now you can see now every of my images has been added here. Now friends, you guys can see that inside all the images you will going to get this link option. So you can choose the custom URL and you can provide your Instagram URL. So for example, my Instagram page is this one, that is beingcommerce.official. So you can also follow us here. You can see 61,000 followers. Just copy the URL and paste it here. Super simple. Okay, so similarly, if you want to put to all images, just click on this edit button, go to link, click on custom URL, again paste your Instagram URL. Similarly, you have to do with all the images and then just click on update. So now you can see we have updated it. Now we have to see how our website will going to look. So you can see, go to your domain. So type your domain, click on enter. So now friends, you can see this is how my website is looking right now. It is just looking amazing. Okay, now don't worry about these images. You just have to put more products in your website. After you will put more products, your website will look more good, because we have put only 3 products. So that's the reason only 3 products are showing here. Okay, otherwise your website is looking very great. Go to Elementor page builder now. Okay, so if you want to customize your website, you can 100% customize it. I have told you in which setting you will get which feature. So just use the Elementor page builder, just do drag and drop, and you can even make some changes if you guys want to. Now in this video friends, we will going to tell you how you can check the response of your website in different devices. That means how your website will going to look in your desktop, mobile and tablet. So you can see that in our desktop it is looking like this. Now we have to see how it will going to look in mobile and tablet. So here you will going to get at very bottom one setting which says responsive mode. So you just have to click here. So now you can see this is how your website will going to look in mobile phone. So it is looking quite weird. So don't worry, we will going to change each and everything. So you can see, you can just click on this edit button and you can go to style and you can make it to center the line. Very great. You can now select this edit section. Now if you guys think that if I will going to make changes here, so it will going to change in desktop, it is not like that friend. Whatever changes you will make in mobile, it will not going to impact in tablet or in desktop. So without any worry, just change each and everything like you want. So just click on edit, go to style, go to typography and just exit the size. So now size, let's put to 26. And now let's adjust the line height. So line height 1.2 will going to look good. So you can now select this one. So you can also do changes here. So I can just make the size of this text small to, let's say, 12. So now similarly you guys can further change if you want to. Now you can see that shop by categories is looking very big, so you can just click on edit, just go to style, just go to typography. You can adjust the size to, let's say, 25. It's looking great. Now you can see, you can also change it to 25. Just go and change it to 25. You can also go down. You can also make this text, let's put first 25. Okay, 25 is looking great here as well. Okay, you can also make this follow on Instagram to 25. Go to style, go to typography, make it to 25. Okay, so 25 is quite bigger here, so you can just decrease it. Now 21 is looking great here. Okay, no problem. Now let's see one more time whether all things are great or not. Here you can see that these are not looking great, so you can just click on this edit. You can go to content, you can make it to center. You can also select this one. Here you can make it to center. Similarly do for these two also. Make it to center, make it to center, make this to center. Now you can decrease the money back guarantee size. So just go to style, just decrease the typography to 19. Now you can also make it to middle. Okay, so just go to style and make it to middle. So now friends, you can just click on update first of all. So now you have done all the changes to your mobile. Now your mobile is looking very great. Now in desktop it is looking like this. So you can see no changes has been done when you have made changes in mobile. Now from here you can also see how it will going to look in tablet. So in tablet also everything is looking fine. Okay, so now let's go to desktop. Amazing. And now just cut it. Okay, from here also you can go to your website and let's refresh it and let's see one time is everything great or not. Okay, everything is great. Now friends, we will going to make some more pages which we can show in our website. Now friends, we have to create some more pages like tracking pages, contact page, about us page. So just go to pages, click on all pages. Here you have to click on add new. Here you have to write track order like this. Now here you have to click on this plus button. Here you have to search shortcode. And now you have to again open this WooCommerce shortcode. From top you will scroll up and you will see this shortcode, that is WooCommerce order tracking. Just copy this and just paste it here. Then click on publish. Now if you will view your page, so this is the tracking order page where your potential customers can put their order ID and billing email and they can track their order. Okay, now just go to WordPress. Now friends, we have to create one more page, that is contact us page. So if your potential customers will going to have some problem, they can contact you. Just click on add new. Here you can write contact, then just click on publish. Now view this page. It will show nothing. Okay, so you can again edit this contact us page with the help of Elementor. So just click on this edit page from top. Now you will see this option of edit with Elementor. Click here. Now friends, we can also use Elementor free template and we can directly import it to our website. You have to click here. You have to select pages. Here just search contact. So you have to search here contact. I don't know why it is not showing. Maybe my net is very slow. So here you can see that there are lots of free templates. So you can see at very top it is pro written. So it is a paid template. So where you will find pro is not written, so that is a free template. Okay, so you guys can choose anyone. So for example, I can choose this one. Then when you will click on insert, click on get started. Now you have to log into your Elementor account. Truck. Then you have to connect this website with Elementor. So just click on connect. Then you have to click on yes. So now you can see friends, we have directly imported the contact us page. So you can edit it. For example, if you want to edit this contact us, so you can just click here. You can add whatever you want like this and you can change the color. It's very similar. We have taught you everything. You can customize everything according to yourself. For example, I go to style, I can change the color to green or anything you want. You can do that. Okay, it's totally up to you. It is total customizable. You can change the icon. For example, if you will click here, if you want, you can just put here car icon like this. Select any car. Now car will be automatically added. You can provide your number, phone number, your email address. For example, my email address is customer@kunalonai. Or I can write support@beingcommerce.in. So similarly, you guys can write your email. You can change the size. So it is totally customizable. Just play around this. And here in the map, if you will click on this edit button, so here you have to provide the location. So for example, I belong from India, Chhattisgarh. So I just have to write my location and the map will automatically replicate and it will show the Chhattisgarh location like this. Now just scroll up. Here you can see the social icon. So if you will click here, so here you can see the Facebook. You have to provide the Facebook link. You have to similarly go to Twitter. You have to provide Twitter link here. You can select Pinterest, provide Pinterest link. If you don't want Pinterest, you can remove it. You can add, suppose, LinkedIn. So just select here LinkedIn. LinkedIn is here. Click on insert. You can see LinkedIn will going to add. You can provide LinkedIn profile URL. Also make sure that you check the response. So again, just go to this responsive mode and see how your contact will going to look in your mobile, tablet as well as desktop. Just customize it. Like for example, I can see this contact as is looking very big in mobile, so I can just decrease the text size. So similarly, just customize it, play around it. We have taught you how you can do these things, and after you will finally do everything, just click on update. So again, go to your WordPress website by clicking on these three arrows, then go to exit to dashboard. So now you will go to your WordPress dashboard. So we have created successfully our contact us page. Now just go to your dashboard by clicking on this WordPress logo. Now friends, you guys can create one more page of about us page where you guys can tell about your business. So again, just go to pages, click on all pages, then click on add new, like about us, click on publish, click on publish. Now you can edit it with the help of Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. Now we can again use Elementor predefined template. Just click on this folder. From pages, just search about. So you can see all the about pages, but I don't know why it is not showing me the preview. But in your case, it will going to show. So whatever you guys want to, you can choose the free template. For example, I will choose this one. Just click on insert. So now you can see that we have imported all the about us section. Now you can even customize it. You can customize the colors, you can customize the text, logo, you can tell about your business, your story. Also you guys can mention your YouTube URL. So you just have to click here and you have to upload your story video in YouTube. Just copy the URL and paste the URL here. For example, suppose this is my video URL. Okay, so you just have to go here, copy your video URL link, just paste it here. Now you can see it will going to show up here. Super simple, super amazing. You can customize these things, text, color, and also make sure that how it will going to look in your mobile phone, desktop, and you can change it according to yourself. Okay, so this is how you can create your about us page. Then just click on update, then just go to your WordPress dashboard again. Now go to your WordPress icon so that you can go to your WordPress. So this is how you have created all the pages, necessary pages. Okay, then you can go to dashboard. So now guys, we will going to create header for our website. So header will going to show here. Okay, so first of all, header is this top section and footer is this down section. So we have to now customize or we have to create our header and footer. So inside header we have to create one menu. So the theme which we have installed, it has by default cart, account, and wish list and search. So here we can add more menus like home, blog, shop, and there are many. So how you can do that? So it's very easy. You just have to go to appearance. Then from here, just click on menus. So first thing you have to create is menu. So here you can write main menu or you can say primary menu. Main menu or you can say even primary menu. Then click on create menu from this button. Just click here on create menu. So we have created our primary menu or main menu. So we have to first of all select this as a primary menu. So you can see here it is written add a primary menu. So from here you guys can see we have display location as primary menu. So just select this option. So now whatever you will going to put here, it will going to display at top. For example, here you can see we have most pages. So just click on view all. So from here just select home, blogs, contact, scroll down, shop, and track order. Then just click on add to menu. So now you can even make it up and down. For example, if you want that contact to go here and if you want the shop to go to second, then you can do this just by doing drag and drop and then click on save menu. Just go to your website and just refresh your website. Now you will see the primary menus here. You can see home, shop, blog, contact, and track order. So if you will click on shop, you will see all the shop will going to show up here. We will also customize it. Do not worry right now. Then just click on blogs. So friends, from this section, whatever blog you will going to publish, it will going to show here. From contact, you will go to contact page, which you have just now created, which is this one. Amazing. Then track order, which you have created right now. So this is your track order page. If you will click on home, after you will click on home, you will again going to come to your main home page. You can also customize your logo. We will teach you how you can do that at later. Okay. So this is how you have created one menu and completed your header section. So now friends, we have to create our footer. So you can see the footer here, but before we create footer, we first have to select the footer settings. So first of all, just click on this customize button. You will see at top, just click on customize, then just go to layout, then go to this footer section, and from widget column right now it is selected to 0. So that's the reason here you will not going to see any footer. So you have to make it to 4. You can also make it to 3. It's totally up to you. Now if you will scroll down, you can see you will going to get the footer option. You can also make it to 3, 5, whatever you want, you can make it, but right now I will only go for 3 or make it to 4. Okay, so we will work with 4 footer. Okay, so I will teach you how you can do that. Then just click on publish, then click on this cross button, just refresh your website once, and then you guys can see now you can create footers here. Okay, so it's super simple. I will teach you how you can do this. So to do this, you just have to go to appearance again and then click on menus. Now you just need to click on this create a new menu. Okay, so just click here, and in menu name write footer 1, and make sure you do not select any option, just click on create menu. Then in footer 1, just click on view all. Here you guys can show home, blogs, about us, contact again, and my account. Then click on add to menu. Then just click on save menu. Again, just click on create a new menu from top. We have to create one more footer. You can name it as footer 2. Click on create menu. Just follow the steps which I will going to tell you. Okay. After you will do this, and from view all, you can select now, let's say shop, track order, wish list, or whatever you guys want to show, you can put it from here. Then click on add to menu. Okay, so you have selected this. Now you can also remove this if you guys want to. Okay, then just click on save menu. So you have created 2 footer for your website. Now I will teach you how you can put it inside your website. So to do this, you first have to go to appearance. Then you will see one option of widgets. Just click here. When you will come here, you will see one option of custom HTML. Just scroll this up, and you will have to select footer widget and then click on add widget. So one custom HTML has been added here. Okay, now friends, I have provided you one file. You just need to open this file, and here you will find one footer about. Just open it, and you will find this txt file. Just copy it completely like this, then just paste it here. Now click on save, and then click on done. Now just refresh your website. Now scroll up. Now you guys can see you have added this social icons, your brand name, your business description. So even you can customize it. Just go to widgets, just click on this custom HTML, and here you can see right now it is Mustafi. You can write your name. For example, I can write being commerce, anything like this. You can even edit this paragraph from here. So whatever you guys want to, you can add here. Right now you can see it is written. You can easily edit this paragraph, blah blah blah. So it is showing here. You can easily edit this paragraph. So whatever changes you guys want from here, you can do this. Then when you will scroll down, you guys will going to see we have different links of Facebook, which is this one, Twitter link. So here you guys can even provide your social media link. Okay, so just paste your link here, and then you guys are ready to go. Super simple. Like my Facebook page is facebook.beingcommerce.com/beingcommerceofficial. So now you can see this is my URL. So you just have to copy the back of your URL like this. Then here you can see this Wordpress. Instead of this, paste your URL, that is Being Commerce Official. So now it has become your link. Similarly, you have to do with Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube, whatever you have. Then click on save, then click on done. Now just refresh your website. Now friends, you can see my brand name is added, description, your logo. So this is how you can customize from here. So similarly, you guys can customize from here. Okay, now you guys will going to see we have one more option of navigational menu. Just select this, select footer widget, click on add widget. From here, title, you can write quick link like this. Select footer 1 and then click on save, then click on done. Similarly, again just select navigational menu, click on footer widget, click on add widget. From here you can select footer 2 and name it extras or whatever you guys want to, then click on save, then click on done. Now refresh your website. So now you guys can see we have added quick links and extras. Don't worry, we will further customize it. We can change colors and everything, but right now we are just putting the structure of our footer. So you have created 3 footer, we can add one more. Again, just go to your WordPress website. So we have to add one more. So how you can do that? Just first of all go to contact, click on contact forms. Now we can add one newsletter form in our website, so people can subscribe you. So when they will subscribe, you will get their email address and you can send various offers to your potential customers. Now friends, you will see this contact form one. Just click on edit. And in case if you guys don't see any of these, just click on this add new. Okay, from here, no problem. Then friends, from here you just have to remove each and everything. Just remove it. Now friends, we have provided you one more file, that is footer subscribe. Just open this, copy the total code which we have offered you here. Just copy it and paste the code here, then click on save. Friends, now you will see this code. You just have to copy this complete code, copy it. After you will copy it, just again go to appearance, then click on widgets. Then friends, here you guys will going to see we have one text option. Just select this, select footer widget, click on add widget, scroll up. Here you can write the title newsletter. Here you can write whatever you want. So here you can see I've written this, then just click on enter and now paste the shortcode which you have just copied, then click on save, then click on done and refresh your website. Now friends, you guys can see we have this newsletter, we have this text, and we have this subscribe form. So people can put their email address and they can subscribe. You will get their email address, and then you can send them various offers so that they can purchase it. So this is a part of email marketing. I have already created 2 courses, that is MailChimp email marketing automation. Along with that, I have also created one more Mautic email marketing course. I will suggest you guys to take any of the course and learn about email marketing. I have provided the course links in bonus section of this course. You can check out those 2 courses of email marketing and learn everything about email marketing. This will help you to generate sales with the help of emails. I will suggest you guys to take Mautic email marketing course. As I said again, I have provided those 2 courses link in bonus section. You can check out there. So friends, we have created our footer. Don't worry, we will further customize the design and everything. Okay, so it is super simple to create any footer for your website. So now guys, we will going to work with our shop page. Just click on shop. Now you guys can see our shop page is looking very weird. It is not looking like what we have shown you in the promo video. Okay, so you have to make some changes here. So it's again very easy. Just go to your WordPress website, just go to your appearance and click on widgets. So now guys, if you want to make changes here, so we have to now use the WooCommerce sidebar option. So here we have to add different things which we can show at very top. For example, let's go and search here for product search. Okay, just select this option, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget. Now you can see that product search has been added. Click on done. Now if you will refresh your website, you will see the search bar here. You can see you have seen the search bar here. Okay, so similarly, whatever you will going to add inside WooCommerce sidebar, all those will going to display here. Okay, so now you can also add this filter product by price. Just select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, click on done. You can also add product category. Just select this option, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, click on done. Also, what you guys can do, just click here, untick this one, show hierarchy, and then click on save because we don't want to show it. Then click on done. Now you guys can add this filter product by attributes. Okay, so just select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, and from attributes make it to add color, and here you can add filter by color like this. Click on save, then just click on done. Similarly, just again add filter product by attributes, click on WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget. Now this time from attribute you have to select size, and here filter by you have to write size, then click on save, then click on done. So now guys, whatever you want you can add it to the WooCommerce sidebar, so it will all going to display here. You can also add this product tag cloud, select WooCommerce sidebar, click on add widget, click on done. Now you have to just refresh your website. Now friends, you can see the search, filter by price, product categories, filter by color, filter by size. So you know you have only created black and red from this attribute, right? Which is this product attribute. So you can even add more, you can even add more size. I've taught you how you can create attributes from this product attribute size. You can add more categories here, you can filter it by size. Okay, so this is the thing we have added to our website. So friends, in this way we have done the shop page customization. Okay, now guys, we will going to work with our blog page customization. Just click on blogs, and now you can see this is how our blog page will going to look. So whenever you will going to post any new blog to your website, it will going to show here. We will going to tell everything about blogging, and we will going to provide you resources for blogging at very end. Okay, but right now you can see we have very unwanted things like recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, blah blah blah. So you can also make changes here. So you will going to get these settings inside main sidebar. So you can see first it is search. So that's the reason. First here we have this blog search, then we have this recent post, then you can see recent post, then we have this recent comments. So here we have this recent comment option. So these are some unwanted things, so you can delete this. For example, meta, just delete it. Just delete archives as well, delete recent comments as well. Also you can just delete this recent post as well. Now friends, you have to add recent post, but we have to add it from Boostify. So you can see at very bottom this attribute, that is list the most recent post with post title and thumbnail. So you have to select it, and now you have to select main sidebar, then click on add widget. So now you can see that your this recent post thumbnail has been added. So all your recent posts will going to show at very sidebar. So when we will going to post some blogs in our website, you will be able to see all those things here. Okay, right now do not worry, you can make it to 5, 4, whatever you want. You can make it to center, that is great. And you can also add one more thing, that is tag cloud. So just search, it will be here and there. Okay, so this is the tag cloud. So just select this, select main sidebar, click on add widget. So now you have done all the necessary things which we have to need for our blogging. and now you can just refresh your website. So now you can see we have this recent post option. First we have search, and right now one post is showing with no image, but as I said, when we will going to add some images and blogs, all will going to display here. So when you will post some blogs, so it will look very beautiful. Right now, do not worry. Then just go to your home page. So you can also click here to go to home page. You can also click on your logo to go to your home page. Okay. Now friends, we will going to do some final customization for our overall website. So that is very important part. So you can just click on this customize at very top. You guys will going to see after you will log in inside your website, just go to your website, then you will see this option here. Also when you will go to your WordPress dashboard, so from appearance, from customize, you can also go to the same option. Okay, so it's totally up to you. So just click on this customize at very top. So after you will open this, so we will going to discuss each and everything one by one. So just go to site identity first of all. Then from here you can select logo, which will going to show here. Okay, so just go here, let's upload one business logo. So I will upload my logo, which is this one. Then click on select, click on skip cropping. So now you can see logo will look like this. So from this logo width, you have to adjust your logo. So you can increase it, decrease it. It's totally up to you. So 67 is good for me. So according to your logo, just increase and decrease the size of the logo from here. So after you will do this, you can select site icon. So site icon will going to show when someone will going to visit your website. So let me just put my logo itself. So whatever logo you will going to put for your website, try to put that same logo here. So you can see when you will open your tab, so at very top your logo will going to show. Okay, so this is the site icon, or we can say site favicon. Then click on crop image. So now you have added successfully your favicon. Just click on publish, just go back. Now just go to layouts, then just go to site container. Now you can see the background color, which is this white color. You can change it according to your requirements. For example, if you want to make your site background black color, so you can choose black from here, but I am good with this white color. So now here we don't have to actually do anything. So just go back. From here, just select top bar. Now what is top bar? So top bar is this top section. Okay, so after you will come here, just go to design first of all. From this space, make it to 25. So now here also you can show whatever you guys want to actually, or you can even make it to 15 as well. Now friends, you can see the background color, which is black. Okay, so you can even change it if you want to. For example, I can choose to blue and make the color little bit less. Okay, like this. And whatever color you want to go with, you can go with that color. Just go to general. So now you can put any text here or in left side. So left will going to display here. If you will type set in center, so it will going to display in center. So you can write free, like I have written free shipping on orders over $50. Okay, so this is what you can even write on your website. Just go to designs. If you want, you can even adjust the size. So I guess 2 will be good for me, so I will go with 2. Okay, so whatever you guys want, you can go with that option, no problem. So now guys, in general also you can add your phone number, support emails and everything. So it's totally up to you. Then just click on publish, go back. Now we have normal header. So we have only one option, that is header layout. So now friends, in free you will only going to get one layout. It's totally okay my friends. Now you can just decrease it. For example, if you decrease it menu breakpoint, so it will look something like this. So I will suggest do not do any changes in menu breakout. Now what is elements? Now for example, I don't want to show this shopping cart icon, so I can just disable it. So you will see how this will going to go. Okay, so this is the elements. So I will suggest do not do anything here. It's totally okay, up to the mark. Then just go back. But also one more thing, if you want to change the header background color, so from here you guys can change it. Right now it is white, so you can make it to black or any color you want, but white is great. Then just go to header transparent. Now friends, we have this enable transparent header. So if you will switch it on, so it will going to make the header transparent. So let me show you how it will going to look. So now you can see this is how it will going to look. So it's totally up to you. If you want to enable it, you can. It's totally on your choice. Of course, with the help of Elementor, you can do some further customization. You can bring this text down, so it will look far more better. So it's again totally up to you. If you guys want to, you can. But I will disable it for now. Just go back. Then just go to page header. Now guys, I will suggest to avoid this page header, because it will going to show your page title at very top, so it will look very weird. Okay, so just ignore this. Now you can go to blog, and now you can change the blog layout to this first one. This will look very great. Now friends, you can see the blog list structure. So from here, if you don't want people to show your blog title, so you can just disable it like this. But I will highly suggest don't do anything here. Okay, just go back. Now directly go to sidebar. Now friends, when you will go to shop from here, just go to shop. Right now you can see these options are showing in right. So you can also make it to left. How? From here, and from here you guys can make it to left sidebar. So you can see this sidebar will going to come to here. Okay. Now I guess it is looking far more better. Then click on publish. Just go back. Now friends, you have to go to footer. Now you can change the bottom text. So let me show you. This is how it is looking right now. Copyright at the rate 2021 Bing Commerce powered by Boostify. So I don't want to show this powered by Boostify. Just remove it. Now it is looking very great. Okay. Now friends, from here you guys can even change the design of the footer. Right now you can see background is of this color. So even you can change the background color. You can change the link color. So right now you can see this is the link color we are seeing right now. You can even change the link color, text color, heading color. So you can see right now this is the heading color. So even you can change the heading color. You can decrease and increase the space as well. Okay. So make it to 23 is good for me. So now whatever options you want, you can go with that option. Then just come back. Now you don't have to do anything here. Just go to scroll to top. Now what is this scroll to top option actually means? You can see at very bottom right side we have this button or icon. So this is called as scroll to top. So when you will click here, you will directly go to top of your website. So for this purpose we use this scroll to top. You can even disable it. You can even design it. So for example, I want the icon size to be 25 for example. So now it is looking great. You can change the background color of this scroll to top icon. So whatever you want, you can go with that option. Just click on publish, then go back. So now just go back once more, then just go to color. So now comes the theme color. So you can see right now it is selected theme color as a dark blue color. You can change the theme color of your overall website. So right now it is dark blue. So even you can change it. So I will choose it to ADC9. So this is the color I will going to choose. So right now you can see we have this light blue here. If you will go to home page, now we have all the theme color as our home page color. So now you can see this color is same as this color. Okay, even you can change the top color. We have told you how you can do that. So you can change the parent menu color or everything. So right now I will just publish it, then just go back. Now you have to go to buttons. Now you can even change the button color. If you will go to home shop, if you will go to your shop page, so right now you can see it is still showing dark blue. So just change it. So now you can see this button color has also changed to this light blue color. Okay, then just click on publish, then just go back. Now friends, just go to color. I have forgotten one thing. You can see the text color. So now you can see it is in this color which is very light, so it is looking very weird. So you can change it. So you can change it from this text color. So guys, you can change the color. So I will choose 474747. So now you can see it will going to give you some dark color. So that is very great. So now everything is done. Click on publish. You can go back. Now just directly go to WooCommerce because we don't have to do any settings in typography. Just go to WooCommerce, select store notice. Now friends, what notice you want to give to your potential customers when they will come to your website. So right now you can see it is by default written here. If you will enable it, so you will see that your website will going to show this text, which is this is demo store for testing purpose. Okay, so you can just edit this thing, and whatever you want to show to your potential customers when they visit your website, you can write that text here. So your potential customers will going to see this thing. Okay, now just disable it, just go back, just go to product catalog. Now guys, actually here we don't have to do anything. Just go back, just go to product image. Now the thumbnail of the image is 1:1. We have to make it some custom. So here I can make it to 3:4. So now you can see friends, my images are looking great. So according to your store, just select the ratio for your image. So 3:4 is very good ratio for my website. Okay, then just click on publish. Now friends, just go back. Now just go to checkout. Now you can see that sticky place order button. Very great. So this is how your checkout will going to look like for your store. You can also enable these two options. Now you can see with the help of multi-step checkout, your customers can see they first have to put the billing details, then delivery, then payment. And we also have enabled distraction free checkout. So if you will disable it, so your potential customers can see lots of links in the checkout. So guys, this is kind of distraction for your potential customers. When they will come to this checkout page, they can go to somewhere else also. So to avoid this, we have to enable this distraction free checkout. This will going to help you to have good conversion or good sales for your website. So just publish it, go back. Now go to shop archive. Just go to your website. First of all, click on your logo, then just go to your shop page. So now here you can do many things, like if you don't want to show shop title, you can just disable it. If you don't want to show the product filtering, so product filtering is this one. So if you want to disable it, you can disable it. Product card, product content, you don't have to do anything here. Product image. So now you can see the product image is selected as hover swap effect. Okay, so now you can see when I will select this image, so some other image will going to show, but you can also choose zoom. So what will going to happen if you will hover on any of the product, it will going to zoom in, zoom out. Like for example, if I will hover here, so you can see the product had zoom out. You can see like this. Okay, now sales tag. So you can see the sales tag here, which is this minus 50% offer. You can even change it. You can change the color. So for example, I can make it to red. You can increase the border radius of this tag. You can make the sales to square, so it will become square. So it's totally up to you. Then you have this out of stock label. So when your products will be out of stock, so your potential customers will going to see that this product is out of stock. Okay, then wish list button. So right now you can see the wish list will going to show here. So you can also make it to bottom, so it will going to show the wish list at this bottom right like this. Okay, but I will make it to default. So whatever option you want, you can go with that option. So you can go with this, you can also go with this. So it's totally up to you. Then last is add to cart button. So how you want your add to cart button. So for example, if your potential customers will hover here, so they can see the add to cart. So for example, if you will select this, so add to cart will going to show here directly. You can also make it to this icon. So here at very top, it will going to show here button. You can see add to cart button. You can change the color of this add to cart from here. So right now I will make it to this second one. Okay, and there's nothing to do, just click on publish and just go back, then go to product single. Now friends, here you have to select any of the products. So for example, let me select this product. Now you can see we have to change lots of settings from here. So just go to generals. If you want to disable anything, you can disable it. For example, breadcrumb is this one, product navigation is this one, previous product. If you do not want to show this stock label like this one, so you can disable these things from here. So for example, if you will disable breadcrumb, so this breadcrumb will go, but I will suggest make everything by default. It's totally up to you. Then you can make the content background. So right now you can make it to white. Let me make it to pure white, right? Pure white. So you can see right now it is in pure white, so it is great. Then you can also put one trust batch image. So I have also provided you this image. Here you can see save checkout. Just select this image, choose this image. So you can see this image will going to show here. Okay, then we have this product image. So you can show different gallery layouts. So right now these galleries are showing here. You can show them here, so it will show at bottom. You can also show it in this way, so all your images will going to show like this. So it is looking very amazing as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you, whatever you want, but I will go with first one. Then here you guys do not need to do anything, just go back. Now just select cart page. So now friends, we have almost done all the settings. You don't have to do anything in the cart. Okay, so we have done almost all the settings. We have done menus, widgets, all the homepage settings and everything. Just click on publish and then click on this cross button. So now friends, we have done all the settings for our website. Also, we have completed overall customization of our website as well. So now you guys are fully knowledge about how to customize and how to build your website. If you don't like anything, you can just customize it. I have told you each and every settings. Now you are 100% know in which area you will going to get which feature. You can even use Elementor to design this homepage if you want to do some further customizations. Okay, so it's totally up to you. So now friends, we have totally completed our website. And you have seen it is super simple, super easy. We just have to do drag and drop. And it was super simple to build one e-commerce website without doing any single CSS or coding. Okay. Now one more thing, when you will go here, just click on this get Wordify for free. So right now we have used the free version of Wordify. Just click on Pro. So in Pro, you will going to get more amazing features like header and footer builder. You can customize the header and footer very easily just by doing drag and drop with the help of Elementor. You can use WooCommerce Builder, so you can customize the shop page, product page, cart page, checkout page as you guys want to. You will going to get more Elementor add-ons. You will going to get mega menu. So whatever product you will going to search, your website will automatically going to check for that product, and it will going to give recommendations automatically. So that is mega menu. You will going to get buy now button, so people can buy your product immediately, and it will going to help you to increase sales with a good conversion rate. You will going to get sales notifications. So whenever someone will going to purchase from your website will going to show that this person has purchased from this country. So this will going to build trust to your other potential customers, and they will see the notification, and they will find that your website is trusted, and they will also going to purchase from your website. You will going to get quick view option. You will going to get sticky add to cart buttons, variation switches, countdown urgency. So your website will be able to show countdown urgency that will going to create urgency between your potential customers, and it will motivate them to buy from your website. You will get going to get size guide, alex search, advanced shop widgets, sticky header, multi headers, and many things. Okay, so this is available in pro version. That means you have to pay to Boostify, and then they will going to give you these features. So you can see they are very cheap, only $49 per year, 79 per year, 129 per year with Boostify agency. If you want to use all these pro features for your personal website, then I will recommend go with Boostify Personal just for $49. So when you will going to purchase this, so it is not like that you have to pay $49 or $50 per year. You just have to renew it. So whenever you renew it, you will going to get 1 year of support, 1 year of update, all starter sites, pro add-ons, and everything. So I will suggest, if you guys have money, then please kindly go with Boostify Personal. It will going to benefit you a lot. Just try it, and believe me, you will going to love it, and your potential customers will also going to love when you will going to take Boostify Personal, and ultimately you can achieve lots of sales as well, because in pro you will going to get many things like sticky header, countdown urgency, quick view. So this all will going to help you to increase sales for your website. Okay, so please, highly recommendation, you can go with these $49. Just take it for 1 year. If you do not renew, it will not going to have any problem, but just try it for 1 year at least with a paid version of Boostify. So this was the thing I want to tell you for Boostify. Okay, so now let's see one time how your website will going to work. So your potential customer can visit your website. So after they will visit your website, they can buy any product they want to. For example, let's go to shop. So now, for example, your potential customers love this product, so they can go to this product. They can just click on add to cart. But before that, they have to choose the variation, color. Let's go with the small. Just go to add to cart. Then they will going to see this thing. They can increase quantity from here. They can directly do checkout, or they can even view cart. So let's go to checkout. So your potential customers have to write their name, their last name, and all the details, and then they have to just click on continue to delivery, continue with payment. They can even change the contact details, address, and everything. Then they will be asked which option they want to pay with. So they can also take with cash on delivery, they can pay online with PayPal, and as I have told you that you can use Stripe and Instamojo. So when you will going to use Stripe and Instamojo, so your potential customers can also see the Stripe and Instamojo option here. Okay, so just to show you, let me go with cash on delivery, then click on place order. So now when they will going to purchase from your website, they will come to this page where they can see that their order has been placed, which quantity they have purchased, what payment they have used to buy from your website, and everything. So in your dashboard, you will going to see these details inside WooCommerce orders. So right now you can see that this was the person. I right now have just purchased this product 44 seconds ago. It is in processing. That means this person has not yet made payment. So when you will going to receive payment from these customers, you can just select here. You can make it to completed when your potential customers will going to make you the payment, or if it will be online payment, so it is automatically get turned to completed. Okay, do not worry. But in the case of cash on delivery, you have to manually go here and you have to make it to completed when your customers will going to make payment to you, and then click on apply. So now you can see your customer has made the payment, so it will going to turn to complete. So if you want to see the customer's details, so you can just click here, and then you can see their address, name, phone number they have used to buy, and all the things. Okay, so you have to put this address, billing address, to ship your product to your potential customer's house. Okay, so this is their address, and this is how your website will going to work. And we have already told you in which settings you will going to get which features. Then just click on dashboard. So finally, friends, we have done all the things for our website. We have completed our website designing, we have built our e-commerce website, we have customized it, we have even told you how it works. And in case of digital product, so for example, if you will go to your website, if we talk about some digital product, if you want your potential customers to download some digital book or PDF or ebook or anything like that, after they will going to make payment, now just select this product, add to cart. Now we will going to go with this view cart instead of direct checkout, because we have told you how checkout directly works. Now your customers can go to view cart, and now it is digital product, right? So it will be one quantity. One more thing, in digital product, whenever you create any digital product, so make sure that you tick mark this thing. Let me show you. Just go to all products, select this digital product, click on edit this digital product, just go up, and from here you guys can just go to inventories, and you can enable this option that is sold individually, because you can see digital products don't have any quantity. They are only one to download, right? Whenever you create any digital product, make sure you go to inventory and enable this option and then just click on update. Now just refresh your cart. So now you can see that quantity will going to go from your digital product, because as I told, digital product is only one to download. Digital products don't have quantity. Okay, so make sure that you guys select sold individually option from here, then just click on proceed to checkout. You can use coupon code. Then this is the address. Click on continue to delivery, click on continue to payment. Right now just go with this place order. Then as I told you again, just go to products, just go to WooCommerce, just go to others, make this thing to complete. Once your customers will going to make you payment, just click on apply. So after you will do this, your potential customers can go to their account like this, just go to downloads, and here they can see this digital product where they can just click on this demo file which we have created, and you can see they can download your ebook or whatever you guys want to. You can make them download that. So this is how this works, friend. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed this course. I will highly suggest you guys, please do review this course with 5 star. And I again say sorry for that 2 lectures, because I actually have forgotten that outside there is rainy season and I have forgotten to switch on microphone. So please sorry for that. Please avoid it and please give me 5 reviews if you actually love this course. Okay, then just go to your homepage. So this is how, friends, we have completed this total course. So now guys, we are finally left with one thing, that is blogging. So when you will click on blogs, you will see we don't have any blogs right now. So blogs means it is some articles which we post in our website. So our website gets some free traffic from search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. etc. Like you can see, this is one website, that is cardeco.com. It is one Indian website. Now you can see they have this news and reviews option, or you can say blogs. Okay, so they write everything about cars. So if you will open their car news, so you will see there are plenty of news or blogs they put in their website. So people from search engine, they love to read these blogs. For example, let's open this blog. Let's open this blog. So you can see this is one blog. Now people can learn some valuable information with the help of blogs. Like this blog is related to car blog. Now this website owner has written about Ford Figo, so he has written one complete blog regarding Ford Figo. Okay, so guys, you have to write blogs related to your business. For example, if you deal with fashion, so you can write blogs on fashion. If you sell your own products, so you can write about your own products. Like Apple have their own products, so they write blogs about their products, like how to use their product and everything. So similarly, whatever you will type on search engines, like how can I increase subscriber with Google Ads, how to grow height, for example, if you will click on enter, you will see there are various blogs like headline.com. So these are the blogs which we read to get knowledge. So you can also write one perfect blog article for your website. Now there are many things to do in blogging, then only your website will going to rank, because see, ranking is very much important. So it is possible with SEO, or I can say search engine optimization. So you have to do your blog search engine optimization, then your blogs will also going to rank at very top. So benefit will be that whenever someone will going to search for your topic, your blog will rank very high, and people will going to click on those blogs which we will going to rank, because people generally don't go to last and they will not go to 8th or 9th page of search engine. They will always open that blog which will going to show at very top. Okay, so that's why you have to do search engine optimization for your blog. I have attached one link on how to write perfect article or blog in this lesson, so you can see that lesson or video and you will learn everything about how you can write perfect blog. Okay, so you have to generally go to post, click on all post. So right now you can see this is one blog already given by WordPress, that is hello world. You can see in your blog, this is the blog hello world. So just delete it, just click on trash. Now click on add new. We have to add one new blog. So we will only going to teach you very short overview, but everything you will going to get with that video which I have attached in this lesson. So make sure that you guys see that lesson and learn how you can write perfect blog or article for your website. Now for example, you have one car blog or anything, so just write the title first. So for example, my title is this one. You can write content here. For example, let me just now copy it just to make you guys understand. You can add image as well. So from the post, you will see one option of featured image. You can add one image. You can upload one image if you guys want to. Let me put this image for an example, then click on set featured image. So this image will be your feature image. Now guys, there are many things you can do in blogging. You can put headlines, paragraph, post, and there are many things. You have to define categories, you have to put the text. So guys, I have taught each and everything in that video, so make sure please you guys watch that video to understand how to write perfect article. Now just refresh your website. So now you can see that your image, title, and everything will going to show here. More posts you will going to post, so all the posts will going to show up here. Okay, so for example, just to show you, I have only written one, but everything you will going to get in that video. Make sure you guys please watch that video to learn about blogging, which will include keyword research, on page and off page SEO. So that will going to help your blogs to rank on top of Google search, and with that video only you can learn how you can write one perfect and beautiful article. Okay,